Tammy and I found a woodpecker.
Beautiful.
Look at that woodpecker. He's just pecking away like a little pecker. And there he goes.
Car phone.
Yeah. We found a woodpecker.